You are laughing at the people who don't eat the same table ninyo. 'Di ba? Kayo ay puro na lang motherhood statements, ganito, ganyan, but you don't really understand the pulse of the people. Hindi ba? You don't really understand the Filipino people. You're imposing your own version of their reality. Now, bakit ko sinasabing naloloka sila sa social media war? As again, i-present ko tong Rappler, no? Rappler. So ito yung sinabi niya, January 16, 2025. Kasi naloloka sila kasi nga very much alive. Somewhere in this article, sinasabi nila na grabe yung social media supporters ni Duterte, and it's really Duterte dominated. Duterte supporters dominated ang Facebook and of course TikTok, and they cannot break through. They cannot break through. Kaya ang ginagawa nila, gusto nilang pilayan ng kalaban. So ayan. So, halimbawa, itong Rappler, no? Rappler is a major kakamping, no? Yan ang favorite ng mga kakamping na napahayagan, ang Rappler. So, titingnan ngayon natin ang Facebook ng Rappler. Okay? Facebook ng Rappler. Para makita nyo talaga, you need to see the stark truth. So, pag makita mo yung Rappler, let me make this bigger. So, pag makita mo yung Rappler, meron siyang 5.6 million followers, ang Rappler. 5.6 million. Okay? Pero pag titingnan mo yung kanilang posts, pag titingnan mo yung mga posts nila, ito 1 minute ago, walang like. Ito 3 minutes ago, 18 likes. 3 minutes. 4 minutes ago, 3 likes. 7 minutes ago, 4 likes. 11 minutes ago, 7 emojis, 14 emojis. Tingnan natin yung mas matagal. 1 hour ago, ang post niya, 90 reactions. Para makita nyo, 90 reactions. 'Di ba? 1 hour ago, sports, 330 reactions. 1 hour ago, 2.5. Kaya lang to naging maraming reactions dahil sinong balita? Duterte. Okay? Ito, proclamation rally 1 hour ago, hindi about Duterte, 60 reactions. Okay? Ito, sports. Dapat ito, malaki ito dahil sports. 1 hour ago, 313 emojis. Ito, Davao City, Duterte. Okay? 62 reactions. Nagigets ninyo ba? About Lenny, despite heavy rain, Lenny, ang bagong team. Ano to? Ang bagong team, Naga? Okay, Unipink. Anyway, so 5.8 reactions. Okay? 5.8 reactions in 1 hour. Diba? Carry. Ayan. Carry po. Diba? So, ayan ang kanyang mga eksena. Ay, syempre, Unipink, no? 204. Anyway, so, pag makikita nyo, no? Parang, if you have 5.8 million followers, bakit yung pang-reaction mo parang pang-ordinaryong Facebook profile? Okay? So, titingnan natin yung kanyang mga videos. Okay? Kanyang videos for today. So, ito, this is about Vico Soto. Vico Soto is just really famous. So, tingnan natin yung kanilang mga latest videos. So, March 28, 420 views, 311 views, ano pa ba? 1,000 views, okay? So 607 views, 1.2 views. Okay, 37.7 views, 6.7 views, 19.1 views. What else? Okay, 12.6 views, 26,000 views, 25.6 views, 39.1 views, 13 views. Tapos tingnan mo naman, meron siyang infighting seen among Duterte supporters. So, bakit kailangan mo i-report yan? Hindi ba? So, they really want to report something bad about the rally. That's all what they want to do. Kasi nga, pag wala silang mga ganyan, hindi sila magkakaroon ng views. Kita mo, pag Duterte lang talaga yung balita nila, na ang dami nilang views. And of course, Vico Soto. Because, well, as of the moment, love ng mga tao si Vico Soto. Di ba? So, halimbawa ito, ang susunod na si Vic Soto announcing ng susunod na presidente ng Pilipinas ay si Vico, yung kanyang anak. Okay, fine. Bata pa si Vico. He's promising, but let's see. Hindi pa tapos ang bago pa lang siyang mayor. Anyway, so ngayon, so tingnan na, meron dito so that we can compare. So makikita niyo talaga yung social media war. Pero kung Rappler ang nag-endorse kay Vico Soto, parang alam na natin. Okay, so let's see. Halimbawa ito. Okay. So ito yung kanilang ginawang video. 56 seconds na nga lang. About yung final ni Shelo. So 3 days ago, 30,000 views lang. 30,000 views. Okay. Nakigets nyo, 30,000 views. Ngayon, meron din akong ginawang video niyan. In response doon sa libel case na yan, okay, about satire. Now, papakita ko sa inyo kung ilan, pareho rin yun, kasi on the same day kong ginawa eh. Okay, this is it. Ang title nun is Learn from Ukraine. Okay. So, yung kanila, 39,000. Sabihin na natin 40,000. I'm generous. Diba? So, ito, ilan yung views na nito? And it's 3 days ago. 3 days ago then. 3 days ago, Learn from Ukraine. Ayan, Learn from Ukraine. This is the response video. So, ako, yung response ko doon, 3 days ago, pareho din ng araw, 798,000. Yung kanila, 30,000. Nagigets ninyo? So there is a clear social media war. And everything that's going on is para mapilayan nila yung kalaban. And syempre, excited sila na pilayan ako. You know, actually, pilayan lahat ng Duterte-aligned bloggers. Kasi nga, this is all in preparation for the impeachment of Sara Duterte. Kasi gusto nilang i-dominate ang social media. At magagawa lang nila yon kung pipilayan talaga nila yung kanilang competition. Hindi ba? Tayo competition nila. Just admit it. No? Tigilan nyo na kami. You are a corporate media. And alam natin, ang corporate media, it needs audience in order for it to actually have sponsors. You actually need audience. But the thing is, kung i-benchmark kayo sa mga social media personalities, baka nga bumaba yung premium ninyo. Kasi ano naman point na mag-advertise sila sa inyo? Hindi ba? Kung maliit naman yung audience nyo as seen from your engagement. Now, speaking about engagement, I'm just gonna show you our latest metrics. Okay? Papakita ko lang sa inyo ang ating pinaka-latest na metrics. Kasi nga nagugulat din ako dito because I'm actually surprised. Okay? So ngayon, ito na ang ating latest 3-month metrics. Let's see. Okay. So ito yung number of views. Okay? This is now our 3-month views. This from December 29 to March 28. Okay? So, ibig po sabihin po ng views, ito yung number of times na yung content ng aking profile has appeared on the newsfeed. Diba? Pag magbubukas ka ng Facebook, pag kinlik mo yung home mo, makikita mo ng iba't ibang feed. No? So, for 3 months, ang aking Facebook, ang aking content ay nag-appear, nag-display sa feed ng nag-display sa feed ng 425,992,676 for the past 90 days. And previously, the past 90 days, so 180 days ago, 99 million. So nakikita nila, grabe yung exponential increase. And they actually can see this because makikita mo ito pag may Meta Business account ka. So ito yung nag-appear, no? So halimbawa, makikita mo yan dyan. And that is the first thing that you want to happen for your post to appear on the news, appear dun sa homepage ng Facebook, no? So, yung akin, 425,992,676. Ganyang kadami in the past 90 days. Ngayon, syempre, pagkatapos, after dumaan sa feed nila, kasi feed creates awareness. Pag dumaan sa feed nila, ang gusto mo ay engagement. Ano yung engagement? Number of likes, shares, comments, reads, clicks. Yun yung clicks. Siyempre, pag kinlik mo yung see more, click yon. Okay? Number of reads. So, ilan na yung engagement ko in the past 90 days. Okay? So, ito na yung active. Hindi lang ito yung nag-appear. Okay? Meron na po tayo in the past 90 days, 62,681,223. And this is from previous 90 days. So, up siya ng 479.7%. So, ibig sabihin, nag-engage yung mga tao. No? So, hindi lang dumadaan basta-basta sa page. Nag-engage. They read, they comment, they post, they share, at kung ano-ano pa. And this is all organic. Dahil wala pa akong ginagastos para magpa-boost dahil mahal po 'yan, no? Kung may pera ako magpa-boost, hindi ko gagawin ito dahil mag-around the world na lang ako dahil mahal 'yan, no? Bumili na lang sana ako ng bahay at lupa. Kung gastusin ko lang 'yan para magpa-boost, no? So, and ang nakakaloka pa dito, yung metrics ko is only delivered out of a follower base of 596,000 followers. Nakita niyo yun sa Facebook, sa Rappler, 5.6 million. Yung akin, 569,000. So ngayon, magtataka ka, sino ba ang may totoong followers?